Let's learn to arrange the words to form a sentence. A sentence always begins with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark, like full stop or period, question mark, and exclamation point. In this lesson, we will discuss sentences that begin with capital letter and end with full stop or period. For example, my bag is big. The beginning letter is capital letter M and ends with full stop. Now, let's arrange the words to form a sentence. Hind has a big doll. Hind has a big doll. It begins with a capital letter and ends with a full stop. Let's have another example. I have a red shirt. I have a red shirt. Beginning letter is capital and it ends with a full stop. Let's try one more. Adam has a circle tray. Adam has a circle tray. It begins with a capital letter A and ends with a period. Now, get a piece of paper to write your answer. You may pause the video if you need more time. Good job! Go ahead and click on the next video to learn more.